This guy is Nicholas, or Sir Nicholas, if you prefer his royal name. He is a German Shepherd. He's about a year old, and he is a big ham. He's going to sit here in my lap. He has no idea how big he is. He thinks he's a 20-pound dog. He's definitely a puppy still. He needs a lot of structure and a lot of training. He would do really well in a home who's comfortable with shepherds and understands how to train a shepherd. He's already knows sit. He's learning lay down, learning to walk really good on a leash. We recommend that he probably go to an only dog home, be the only dog in a home. He is a little bit loud and vocal when he passes dogs on a leash and when he sees them outside his kennel. He also really loves a tennis ball. He's actually more motivated by a tennis ball than by treats. He would do really well in a home with somebody who maybe wanted to do agility classes or hiking or something like that, because he is so active and because he is so trainable. He's super smart, aren't you? He's got giant ears. Yeah.